Hi everyone. Today I am going to talk about a very famous management concept, the Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20 rule. The Pareto principle says that roughly 80% of the results come from 20% of the causes. In simple words, a small part of our work or the efforts usually create most of the results, while the rest have much less impact. This rule was first observed by an Italian economist, Vilfredo Pareto, who noticed that 80% of the land in Italy was owned by about 20% of the people. Later, this idea was applied in many fields like business, quality control, and time management. In management, the 80-20 rule helps us to focus on the vital few rather than the trivial many. For example, a company has 80% of the profit that may come from 20% of the customers, and 80% of the problems may come from 20% of the defects. As students and the professionals, we can also use this rule in our daily lives. For example, we can ask, which 20% of my task gives 80% of the results? The answer will usually be the most important assignments, projects, or the study chapters. If we give these our maximum time and energy, our overall performance will improve quickly. The 80-20 rule also helps us in time management. If we list our daily tasks and only a few of them are highly impactful, by identifying and doing them first, we can reduce the stress and increase the productivity without working for more hours. However, the Pareto principle is not an exact mathematical law. It is a rule of thumb that helps us to prioritize and think clearly in the complex situations. Sometimes it can be 90 to 10 or 70 to 30 ratio, but the idea remains the same. Find the key 20% and focus on it. To conclude, the Pareto principle is a very powerful management tool that teaches us to work smarter, not harder. If we learn to identify the 20% of the actions that create 80% of our results, we can become more effective in studies, projects, and future careers. Thank you so much.